best life here today. We're making all our dreams come true. Why don't you come along with me? Cause I love spending time with you, with you, with you. Spending time with you.
Hey Dreamers! It's me, TahrifaTheDreamer, and today's video I'm going to go through my iPad. Last time I went through my phone, and now I'm going to go through my iPad. So let's screen record and get into it. I hope you can see me well, because it was a struggle setting up this camera because I can't see myself, but it's cool. So let us screen record this stuff. Alright, so let's start with my lock screen. Austin is time. Austin is my last name, and I just find this very motivational. I stole this from Ruby Kill. She had this on her Instagram, and it spoke to me. Who does that? I'm in the car. Watch the last video from the iPhone video to figure out why I'm in the car. This is my case. It's cute, I know, right? Yeah. So I'm just gonna go through my iPad. So that's a picture of me, and it says dreams, how consistent, how on brand. And I'm just gonna go through my stuff. So what we have is the weather. I'm always checking the weather. Currently 68 degrees on Monday, October 19 at 12:21 p.m. And my podcast that I'm currently listening to is I'm Your Expert by Doc Shepherd. And my screen time app store is where you get your apps. I don't use that unless I'm updating stuff or downloading stuff. Camera, settings, Safari, undeletables, YouTube folder, and Word. Oh, and the bottom I have iMessage, podcast, Netflix, camera, and those are the two. So Safari. Let's go into Safari and let's look at my history, because I find that always interesting to see what I have in my history. Okay, I was finding about doing a recipe which I made, my meal, and like stuff about my license and checking my mail and stuff. I don't really do a lot of stuff on my Safari on this, and that's just research. But I still mostly use my phone for that. Undeletable is the Apple Store, Find My Phone, and the clock. I have nothing on this thing. And Word, Microsoft Word, and YouTube folder. YouTube folder is what I use to make my YouTube video, to edit my YouTube video, to promote my YouTube videos. That's what that is there. So we can go through that. Below, as I showed you on my iPhone, I just use it to edit. And YouTube, it would be YouTube. It's the same thing as on my phone, but just bigger. I watch YouTube more on my iPad though, because it's bigger. I have a hard time reading small screens, but I'm just scrolling through like fun stuff you can also check out. And then iMovie, same thing, nothing in here, but I use it to edit my movies, my YouTube videos. And then we have something actually interesting, YouTube Studio. So I have to put this way because it's a better view this way. And this is all my last videos doing. Not that great, but you know what, consistency is key, and we're just gonna keep pushing, and we'll reach where we go and where we're supposed to reach. These are sneak peeks for videos that are coming up. But yeah, these are just the recents, and all of these are coming very soon. Playlist, check out my playlist, watch binging playlist. Haven't got my watch hours up. That was a bug. Comments, I love replying to comments, so comment below and I will respond to you. So I just use that to check my analytics and comment back and stuff like that. Facebook, we're gonna turn it back this way. I don't ban my thing, I try not to. So I forgot that like Facebook is like people's stuff. So let's go to my profile. Let's watch my story. It's me, guys. I'm so beautiful. I literally just do that all the time. Just go look at myself. So this is my Facebook page. It's my personal Facebook. And then let's go to TahrifaTheDreamer Facebook page, which is the one that you should pay attention to. Yeah, I just post upcoming videos and stuff to do with my channel on here. Yeah. And there we go. Next is my files. Same thing. Oh, my resume. How interesting. Do you want to hire me? I'll send you my resume. Let me know. iCloud Drive. Okay, that's off on my iPad. Documents, downloads. That's all I have. Nothing special there. And then in my photos, like my basic, my intro, YouTube stuff, my check me out, check me out, check me out. Also check Jaren for your promo. He did that. My cousin from my last video. If you watched it, you know what I'm talking about. And these are just like my resume and driving stuff, and the video that I just filmed for the iPhone video. How fun. Okay, my messages, podcast. Let's go through my podcasts. So let's go through my subscriptions. So Armchair Experts, Deepak Chopra, Detail Therapy, Gretchen Rubin, Tom Billieu. These are some good podcasts. These are the ones that I'm currently keeping up with, or that were recently suggested to me and I have to check out. So, but my favorite one to listen to is Armchair Experts. So we have to catch up on that. But yeah, that's all. Let's go to my Netflix. Yeah, Tahrifa. The show that I'm currently watching is Criminal Minds. I've reached season 6, episode 12, which probably means episode 13 because it's looking to the end. And where's my list? Right, so these are the shows that I'm currently watching, or I've just recently watched, or I'm waiting for the new season to come out. These that I haven't started yet, but I think I'm going to check it out. Have to continue watching the 100. I suggested DIY People in my video. Young and Hungry is good too, but it's finished. I think they cancelled it. Good Place, I recommended that. All American, waiting for season 3. Hello, yes, hi. I have to watch Enola Holmes. Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. is finished. And yeah, so I'm just waiting for new seasons, or I just watched it and it's in my list. But there you go. Emily in Paris. Oh, I need a season 2 now. Today, tomorrow. Yes, thank you. And that is it for this thing. Let's go to my screen time. So you see, YouTube is the most. 4 hours and 21 minutes. That was today. Screen time. Okay, it says 5 hours and 18 minutes. Not because I was using it 5 hours and 18 minutes, but because I was playing my affirmations while I slept. And it played for 4 hours and 21 minutes. That's what happened. And then I used it just now to film a video. So that's where the time comes from. But the week, the most used is YouTube. And I'm just like scrolling through random stuff. 11 pickups on 4 on daily average. I'm not using my screen a lot. I'm not. And everything is in dark mode. I'm a dark mode kind of girl. Mostly because my eyes hurt really easily. They're sensitive to light. I think. I just be diagnosing myself. But I try to minimize my screen time and minimize the brightness. So I'm like I need it low. But we're filming a video, so it needs to be brighter. And what is in here? Nothing. So this is a very quick video because my iPad is empty. But yeah, that is what I have on my iPad. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up below. Comment below what do you have on your iPad, or what apps you think I might enjoy and I should check out. That's all. Okay, bye.